For detection teams listening who maybe don't have as much experience with LLMs and are maybe just starting to learn about it, like what can you tell people about monitoring LLMs and how, keeping the inference and the agentic framework secure? Like, what have been your learnings there, and what's been effective?
So first of all, like every threat modeling, you need to understand the various use cases and the threat scenarios. So in our cases, there are various threat scenarios, but the most significant ones are basically around the abuse or the attempt to extract data through those LLMs. So first and foremost, I would say, what is the actual application of those agentic models for your company? What is the business logic? Who's going to use that? Is it going to be like a front for customers to have questions? Is it going to be for operators, for admins? It really depends on the scenario. And then based on the various use cases and the business implementations, that's when you start doing the threat modeling. So we looking at this from, as I said, multiple layers of basically abuse, fraud, data exfiltration options, and then malicious execution. So trying to manipulate the model to either do an action, exploit its capabilities, create hallucinations, which is also a thing. Even though the risk when you have an agentic layer is not as big because the foundation, the infrastructure sits with the base model, like the LLM. So it's kind of like it's another layer on top of that.